Okay, so got my Radio Master Crush Boxer, or Boxer Crush, and this is my first FPV flight. I have a little bit of I have quite a bit of DJI, normal baby drone with the auto leveling, and all that. So this isn't my first drone flight, but this is my first FPV drone flight. I also am a pilot for real, so maybe that'll help. I don't know. Alright, looks like we're ready to go here, so hopefully the controller works. Ah, man, no throttle. Controller still doesn't work. Son of a bitch. I'll come back again. Jeez Louise. Yes, I want to leave because it doesn't work. Okay, I don't know what was wrong. The controller worked when I went in the controller window, but I'm back, and oh, so I landed, and it stops. So I need to make something go. I don't know why it did that. But hold both sticks down, right in the corners, like a DJI. Hold both sticks in the corner, bottom left and right. Okay, hold them towards the center. Hold one down, one up, one down, back. I don't know. Hold the scroll wheel while you push up. No, that's not it. That went into my menu on my controller. Okay, both towards the middle, top, take off. Outside, top, take off. Man, I don't know. Okay, use the mouse to hit start. Oh. Okay, there we go. So now we're up. Okay, back the throttle off. Need to push forward. Oh my gosh, this is hard as heck. Oh, that counted, huh? So, throttle is rinky dink. I'll have to turn that on so you can see it. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Oh, that counted. I don't know what I'm supposed to do over there. Probably do some cool stuff, but I can't even straighten my shit out. There we go. So it's very hard to move your head as you do your... I gotta figure that out. Right, left, okay, back down, forward, crank it, oh shit, crank it forward as you're throttling. Yeah, that first lap was pretty good, huh? I got lucky. Jeez Louise. Okay, come down here. Scroll around. Oh my gosh, this is so hard. I gotta smooth this craziness out. Maybe there's some settings I should go check on YouTube. I did see one on setting it up. Oh my gosh, I'm so high. Whoa. Oh, they're already done, so I guess that counted. I'm not done though. Ooh, save that. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm just using my thumbs to drive right now. I'm gonna try pinching now. And I do have my controller on a little desk, so I think that's helpful. Whoa. I need to probably learn to fly this in my lap though, or hanging from a strap. Okay, this is pinching now, and pinching is different than I've ever driven before. But I can see how pinching is a better deal if you can figure it out. I definitely feel more in control already, even though I'm not in control at all. Okay, so you gotta always straighten your head, so that's interesting. So turn where you want to go, then turn with it. And this is a mini micro drone, by the way, so it's not the best for this. This is the 2-inch little drone. I don't know if there's any wind effects out here or not, but I'm not feeling anything. So the faster you go, the more you got to push forward to not gain altitude. Makes sense. small little movements, controllable. That's always a problem with flying planes, is just overpowering stuff. You just gotta smooth this out and not be so erratic. And I really like cinematography for drone flying, so that's kind of why I want to learn this. The Olympics probably just made drones go through the roof for FPV. I tried to buy some parts, and they're not cheap anymore, thanks Trump. But, you know, bring manufacturing back to the U.S. so that we manufacture these parts. Although I think the cheap stuff is gone, though. That's the problem. The rest of the world's going to get an advantage of having cheap stuff when they build things. So it's kind of a double-edged sword. But manufacturing needs to come back to the U.S. for sure, though. Oh, I won it! I won it! Yay! And then landing. Ooh, that was, well, landing.